The Coin Lady channel is pleased to have you back. Dear everyone, in the past 2 days, this market has seen a tremendous amount of activity. The markets are suddenly seeing a deluge of rumors. Ethereum's nearly 20% price increase in the last 24 hours is the reason why many older currencies are experiencing a price breakout, and we will discuss and address this in the coming 24 hours. Today, there are a lot of gains in every category. Regardless, even if we narrow our focus to the 500 highest-ranking gainers in the past 24 hours, everywhere you look, it's there. The market is experiencing a thrilling period, and it hasn't even reached the halfway point yet, since altcoins haven't experienced a huge breakout. This is just the beginning, but I can't wait for altcoin prices to skyrocket. Are we out of this jam yet? We'll get to that later. In the meanwhile, I just wanted to announce that the free Discord has had a huge update. All of you should be using this Discord. In the description and comments below, you'll find a link to a free Discord where you can join now to gain access to a wealth of free crypto-related insights, content, and debates. Now, moving on from there, let's visit this post by Greetings, Crypto Community. Today, at Davos 2024, Ripple CEO Brad Garlin will be releasing crypto ETFs in the United States. Just in case you forgot, this was back in January when we were talking about how more cryptocurrency ETFs will inevitably emerge. Consider an XRP exchange-traded fund. Without a doubt, there will be additional exchange-traded funds. In 2024, do you think there would theoretically be more XRP ETFs in the US? Recall that this happened in January, and Ethereum began capitalizing on the rumor that an Ethereum ETF would be in the works. Well, guess what? We have this SEC decision due this week on spot Ethereum ETFs. How exciting! Given the current stated lack of involvement, it is technically feasible for the SEC to approve the 19B4's exchange regulation modifications and the S1's registration statements for ETFs before launching the S1s. We also have this when we examine this. My colleague Jim and I have raised our prediction of a spot Ether ETF approval from 25% to 75%. This information comes from Bloomberg's lead ETF analyst. This afternoon, rumors started circulating that SEC would change its stance on this highly contentious matter. As a result, everyone is now rushing like us. Think they would be turned down? For the likely sequence of events, see Nate's tweet below. We are limiting ourselves to 75% once more. Until we hear otherwise, here is the complete update that you just read here. Beyond this, we have this SEC request from CoinDesk, which states that exchanges should expedite the updating of 19B4 files for SPY Ether ETFs. According to sources familiar with the situation, the SEC's Trading and Markets Division convened asset managers on Monday morning to revise the so-called 19B4 filings and resubmit them with the changes. That this would happen was obvious to us, but what am I missing something here? Why? Because taking a close look at the market has revealed that Bitcoin's value has been significantly fluctuating. We are all aware of the meteoric rise in Bitcoin's supremacy. Regarding the entire season, what have I consistently stated? I've maintained for a long time that this storyline will revolve around the same. I thought this was all about the next big thing in Bitcoin, wasn't it? Every alt season, we hear it. Now I mentioned that an ETF approval for Ethereum is huge because it will start the flipping story all over again. And it is precisely the thing that we are examining. At the present, we're putting a lot of effort into extracting as much profit as possible from this market before altcoins experience significant breakouts, but this will officially destroy any momentum on the Bitcoin dominance chart since it will lead Ethereum dominance to skyrocket. Never forget that until the Ethereum ETF really launches, all of this is only speculation. However, rumors might also serve as a great springboard for the change. Keep your wits about you and your patience sharp, for the moment to reap the rewards is almost here. In my opinion, that is correct. Well, that concludes our video. As always, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and leave a comment with your opinions. Muchas gracias, depart.